welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today I'm going to be sharing with you this look. So basically this is a deeper skin makeup tutorial. So I wanted to share this from the longest time and I'm refilming this video because I lost the old clip. I'm great. So yeah, if you're interested in this video then please keep on watching, but before that don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. Also, if you want any more video for a dusky skin, like for a wearable look or any look, you can just let me know in the comment section. I would love to make it for you guys. And you can definitely wear this kind of a look for a wedding function, like for wedding guest makeup or for any glam look, because it's super wearable. So now without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. So to start with, I'm gonna moisturize my face. So for that I'm using this Plum moisturizer. So I'm gonna moisturize my face. For the moisturizer, I'm using this Biotic Morning Nectar moisturizer. So बहुत nicely I'm gonna moisturize. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this Nykaa lip balm. So now to prime my face, I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven primer. So this is the second time I'm filming the same tutorial. Basically I just lost the old clip. So now to begin with my makeup, basically I have two options. Either go with this foundation. So this is a Maybelline Super Stay Lips foundation in 320 Honey. मैंने पहली वीडियो में इसे यूज़ करा था, बट ये इतना ज़्यादा डार्क शेड नहीं था. It was dark but it wasn't that dark. But now I'm filming this again, so I'm gonna take this Derma palette and I'm gonna take some shades from this to create a deeper shade. So I'm just checking that how deep the shade is. I'm gonna make it a bit more deep. Only this way I could really help you, because अगर मैं ऐसे आपको बोलूँगी you try this, try that, तो कुछ सेंस नहीं बनेगी. बिकॉज अनलेस और अनटिल मैं इसे एक्चुअल में वेयर नहीं करूँगी तब तक मैं आपको कोई लुक इमेजिनरी तरीके से नहीं बता सकती. सो आई थिंक प्रीटी मच आई मेड अ वेरी डिसेंट शेड. सो आई जस्ट टुक DJ2 शेड and D5 from this palette. So now I'm just gonna apply it. So now I'm just blending it using my Pro Art PF02 brush. I'm just using a flat brush to apply this. So you can clearly, like literally clearly see how deep the shade is. Oh, this looks really deep, like a really deep shade. So I'm just dragging it downwards. So मैं इसे नेक पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी ताकि मेरी नेक और मेरा फेस अलग अलग शेड्स का ना लगे, सब कुछ एक शेड का लगे. थोड़ा सा ईयर पे भी. So now to blend this super smoothly, I'm gonna take this pack sponge and I'm gonna make sure कि सब अच्छे से blend हो जाए. Have a deeper skin or a fair skin, you need to use a foundation of your shade. I know it's not my shade, I'm just demonstrating a makeup look with you. But if you have a dusky skin, make sure to use your shade of foundation. Now I'm gonna take the same palette, like the same Derma palette. So now for concealer, I'm taking the same Derma palette and I use the D3 shade and I mixed it with some caramel shade from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Now I have that concealer. So I'm just gonna mix both of them to get like a balanced shade. I'm gonna apply this mixture to my under eyes. So concealer 2 tones lighter ले, ये ज़्यादा light है, I know. I'm gonna layer this with any other concealer because ये ज़्यादा light है. और just I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer and I'm just taking this to balance this shade. So blending का तरीका सेम है, just look upwards and just start blending. So why tone lighter? Because अगर आपकी deeper skin भी है तो अगर आप 2 टोन लाइटर यूज करोगे तो यू कैन सी दिस एरिया इज ब्राइटन. लाइटर शेड लेकर आपका फेस अपलिफ्टेड लगता है. More and I'm gonna apply it onto my lips. The aim is not to show like a base tutorial. ये just मैं खुद create कर रही हूँ ताकि एक deeper skin मैं achieve कर सकूँ. But actual में I'm gonna share like my main concentration is on my eye makeup and on my lips. So I'm just gonna blend this. So now to set this, I'm gonna take this NYX palette and I'm gonna take this banana shade. So अगर आपकी deeper skin है, आप पर banana shade बहुत अच्छे से set करेगा आपके face को. So that's why I'm using this shade. And वैसे इस same sponge की help से. और आप देख सकते हैं मैं नोज के साइड पे भी इसे ऐसे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ ताकि सेम मैं अपने फोरहेड पे लगाऊंगी. बेसिकली जहाँ जहाँ मैंने कंसीलर लगाया है वहाँ पे एंड थोड़ा सा अपने फेस को स्लिमर शेप देने के लिए लाइक सो. सो हम गोना मेक श्योर कि थोड़ी देर ऐसे ही रहे क्योंकि अगर डर्मा को सेट नहीं करो तो वो मूव करता है. सो दैट्स वाई. So I'm gonna go and fill my eyebrows off camera and I will be back because eyebrows कुछ special नहीं है that I always share in all my videos. So now I'm gonna take this palette because I always recommend this palette like for fair skin also, like for my skin. So I think this palette is the best palette for all skin type, like for everyone. So that's why I'm using this palette only. So first I'm gonna take this shade as my transition shade. So once we blended this much, we're gonna take this shade, a deeper maroon, deeper brown shade. So like all warm shades like brown, orangish, maroonish shade. These look really stunning on dusky skin. So that's why I'm using this. So I'm gonna take this onto my crease. So मैं इसे crease पे अच्छे से apply करूँगी. I'm gonna take this shade, it's a maroonish shade, so I'm gonna apply it onto my outer corners. मैं इसे भी crease पे लेके जाऊंगी. So now you can see everything looks so smoky and this is looking really stunning. So now I'm just taking some concealer and I'm trying to like draw a cut crease. So be very slow when you do this. So like so. So now I'm gonna make sure कि अच्छे से set हो जाए. Now to layer this up, I'm gonna take the golden shade from this Sharp palette and I'm gonna apply it. और ये थोड़ा सा गैप बचा है, इस पे मैं ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट शेड कॉपरिश शेड लेके अप्लाई करूँगी. So now I'm taking my Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal to tightline my eyes. I also want to apply some onto my waterline. Brownish shade onto my waterline. So I applied this Maybelline Lasting Drama pencil. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now I'm gonna wear falsies and do this and I will be back. So I just added some lashes, did my other eyes and that's what I created for my eye makeup. It's not like कि अगर आपकी dusky skin है आप पे यही eyeshadow suit करेगी. This looks really flattering on you, so that's why I played with this. Now I'm gonna do my rest of my face. So for that I'm gonna take this NYX palette again and I'm gonna take this contour shade. Just to deepen it a bit. And now I'm gonna take my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Lightly gonna apply this also. So for my blush, I'm gonna take this Miss Claire Professional Blush On Palette, and I'm gonna take this shade as my blush. So it's a perfect wedding kind of a makeup look. That's pretty much it. मैं ज़्यादा apply नहीं करूँगी, मैं बस थोड़ा apply करूँगी because मैंने bronzer already apply किया हुआ है. So now for my highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution. And also I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. And brown. Now to lock this look, I'm using this Blue Heaven Pro Fixer. For my lips, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade. So it's a perfect shade for a deeper skin as well. So this finishes this makeup look. So if you want to see the difference, see the difference. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.